But yeah, I mean, for a synthetic wig that I have worn like 1,000 times already, I think it looks pretty good.
And it goes a little something like
You all summer and after I'll keep you all summer and after I'll keep you all summer and after.
Hello everyone, my name is Dorisbelsantana and welcome to my world, or welcome back if you've already been here. So in today's video, I will be showing you guys how I installed this wig. It's crusty, it's dirty. Ooh, bless you. It's crusty, it's dirty, everything in the bag. This is how it looks. I bought this at the beauty supply store. It cost me like $50. So I'm gonna show you guys how I install it. Let me take out my hair from these crusty braids. I went to the beach and I left my hair in these braids, so it looks crusty. This is how it looks. It's full of sand. Oh my god. But I'm gonna go wash my hair and I will be back. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe. When I'm back, my hair's already gonna be washed, moisturized, and in 2 braids. Bye. Hello guys, my hair is clean and braided. Now we're just gonna put it up and install the wig. Let's get to it. Just trying my best for the synthetic wig to look as real as possible. I mean, I think this is fine so far. Now we have a hot comb. It's hot, so. Ow, it's really hot. I just burned my finger. Oh my god. Although this is a synthetic wig, a hot comb will make it look so much better. So. Ooh, I keep burning myself. Okay, I'm gonna leave this alone off, and let me turn that off because. Oh girl, I burned myself. Oh my god, I don't know if you guys can see, but I'm gonna be bleeding soon. Okay, let's continue. This side I don't want to cooperate, so I'm trying not to stress myself. And this side don't want to cooperate. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ, doing edges on synthetic wig is the most stressful thing ever. Okay, we're gonna lift this up a little bit to make it look like that. Okay, I feel like this is fine. Okay, we're gonna take a pen and we're gonna lift this up like this. And we're gonna take another pen and we're gonna lift this up like that. Okay, I feel like that should be fine. Oh my goodness, why? You know what? I'm gonna leave it like this because time I don't have. Time is something that I do not have. Okay. We'll see what happens with that later. As for this, we're gonna do our makeup. That's all I'm gonna be doing, so I'm gonna go change my top and I will be back with the final result. This is the final result. I mean, it's nothing crazy. I think it looks okay, but it's my outfit. But yeah, I mean, for a synthetic wig that I have worn like 1,000 times already, I think it looks pretty good. But you know, thank you for coming to my channel. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will bring more content. See you guys later. Bye.